Okay, so OMG. So I pre-ordered the album, and so I'm going to do a little unbox. Heck, why? Eek. Maybe I should have gotten scissors. Oh wait, no. I got it. Okay. I'm excited. I don't remember. Okay, I got the O version. Okay. Ooh, it feels really nice. It's kind of like, I don't know what this... So it feels, I don't know what this feels like, but it's, oh, it slides. Okay, so yeah, I got the O version. Beautiful, beautiful. So, oh shoot. Okay, wait. This is like my second album, so I don't really know what to expect. This is the photo book, I guess. So it has all of the stuff. I'm going to, this is the notes, which I can't read. Okay. And then, oh my gosh. How does this work? How does this work? I'm like scared. I don't want to. It's like kind of like a plasticky, it's clear. Whatever. How does this work? How do you do this? I don't understand. Do you like what? I don't know. Okay, I'll figure this out later. And then it came with a poster and then the CD. This poster. Heck, this is... Oh, hello. I got a new poster for my wall. It's, I don't know if this is focusing. Please focus. Yes, there we go. Yes. I can see my collection growing. My wall, but it's kind of sad though that it's folded like this. Ugh. All the creases. Does anybody know? Do you know how to like get rid of those? I think there's like some way that you can get rid of the creases. But yeah, yes, poster. Okay. Where do I put this? I'll just set this aside for now. But yes, this is the CD. I don't actually have a CD player except in the car, so I'm not going to be able to actually use this. So it's really pretty though. I love this stuff. Woo! And then the photo book. And there's the photo card. Hold on. Oh, I'm going to... This is not the photo card, is it? This is just the... Wait, is this... Oh, this is the photo card. Okay. This is just the... What is this? It's the big hit audition thing that they always put, and they're not looking for girls, so whatever. Refocus. Okay, I'm gonna look at this last. I hope I get Jin. My bias. I hope I get Jin, but if I don't, it doesn't matter because all of them are lovable. They're all equal. So I guess I'll just flip through this because I don't know what else am I supposed to do. Is this the same as the it's not the same as the poster. Okay. Wait. This is the same as the poster. Okay. Okay. I wonder, do they give out different posters or is it just like the same poster? I don't know. This is my first like new like pre-ordering. This is my first time pre-ordering an album. But heck, it's black and white. Oh, this is gonna be the death of me. Sorry for the glare. Is it focused, by the way? Let me just... And also, apparently people don't like it when you, like, crease the book. I don't know. Is that a thing? because I did it to the first album I ever bought, and then I watched someone like open I watched like one of Suga's album unboxings, and then like he was creasing it. He was creasing the photo book, and then everybody in the comments was just like, no, don't crease it. And I was like, wait, are you not supposed to do that? I guess I understand. Oh, I guess I understand it's like to keep everything, you know, in as new condition as possible. Oh, there's color. In as new condition as possible, so that, oh, these tassels though. Hello. Yeah, these are like the same pictures as the ones that were released online. Wow, that looks, it kind of looks like it's dismembered because it's like not connected. More color, hello. Wait, what is this? Oh shoot, what the heck? Oh, what is this? Oh. Membership survey? Okay. Don't wait. Yeah. I never really know what I'm supposed to say when I see pictures. I mean, I can just like look. Oh, by the way, if you can hear my family talking in the background, I'm sorry. I don't know if it picks them up or not. Is that a mic? Is he holding a mic? He is. He is. And then here are all of the lyrics and the, what is this? The credits, right? Yeah. Oop. And then all of the thanks. Oh shoot. Of which I don't think I can read. Dang, did he write 2 pages? Wow. Oh, Jimin also wrote 2 pages. Why? Wow, Jin's so short. Holy crap, V's is even shorter. Okay. And then, oh, these are all the credits. Eee. And then that's it. Oh, and like the bottoms of these pages, it has a little. Ugh, please focus. Why isn't it focusing? Hello? No. It says love yourself. Yeah, that's really cute. And then that's the end. And then I'm gonna look at my photo card now. Okay. Oh no. Who did I get? Please, please. Is this Suga? Sorry, I like can't tell. Yes. Yes. I mean Suga. What is this? Oh, that was just a little. Okay. I mean, well, I don't mind. All of them are good. But like, wow, this is like really nice quality. It's like a playing card. Now I want all of them. Oh my gosh, I want to collect all of them. Ugh! But yeah, if anybody knows how to work this, like, can you please tell me? 'Cause I'm scared to break it. I don't want to like. It looks like you. I'm scared. I don't want to. It looks like it can stand up, So like maybe it's like maybe yeah. Okay, no. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna break this by accident. Oh, holy crap. But yeah, this was all the stuff that was included, including this poster. The poster, which I'm gonna put up onto my wall, and all this stuff. So yes, that was the album. This is my first album unboxing, so sorry if I'm really awkward. Sorry if I don't know what I'm doing, because I don't normally unbox albums. I was just really excited because it arrived today, and I was like, oh heck, like same day that the album is released is the same day that I get it mailed to me, you know. Yes, thank you for the pre-orders. Yeah, and I got this I pre-ordered it for about like $20 or something on Amazon, and then it came today on the 18th. Today's the 18th. And so yes. Yeah. I don't normally buy albums, but I make an exception for BTS. Also because they give so much stuff. Like what? Like what? Who? What? Plus like the poster. So I can finally decorate my wall. It looks really bare and without any stuff. So yes, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed. If you want to see more unboxing stuff, I don't know if I'll buy more stuff, but if you want to see more videos or some other random videos that I just decide to randomly upload, then subscribe. I usually do journaling stuff, I guess. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this. Do I need to say like the obligatory like, oh, like, comment, subscribe for more content, all that stuff? Yeah, I don't know how to YouTube, but yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this. I'm very awkward and I don't know what to say when looking through like these sort of pictures. Everything is like very like sleek and like it's black and white, and I'm just like, it looks so nice. So nice. Okay. But yeah, I got a Suga photo card, and I'm happy with that. Even though I may not sound like it, I'm very happy. Very, very happy. So thank you so much for watching. This is like my like 5th time saying that. But yes, see you in the next video. Bye bye.